I am fine. What about you?
I'm also very good. Thank you for asking. Okay.
Okay.
I think you are in school. You are student.
And not not student, but I have to teacher. That to right now in the that paper is that coming to that I am in that class.
Okay. Okay. You are sir.
Yes, yes. Right now I am to joining. I think I have been joining for 2 3 months. That's why in here.
Okay. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah.
First, my name is Sagar and I am from Maharashtra. I think you are also Maharashtra in the, but I don't
No,
know where
no.
to in.
No, no. I
Okay,
am not Maharashtrian. I am Gujarat. I belong from Gujarat. Yeah, you
okay,
can continue after that I will say my introduction. Yeah.
okay. I am from Maharashtra in the Ahmednagar. You know for Ahmednagar.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, and in here and recently before last year that my post graduation is completed in the
Hmm.
inorganic chemistry, and
Mm-hmm.
I have joined that after that to in the college private sector college that experience level.
Okay. What about your education?
MSc chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay. Okay. What about your hobbies?
My hobbies is something that for reading books, new books, and something new finding that some ideas and follow that, and some spirituality is also that I am to reading for these books like Bhagavad Gita and Sri Krishna Ramayana of this some small topic, not much a regular follow,
Hmm.
but this is the kind of thinking I am to follow this, and
So, should I call you like you are a spiritual person? Is it true?
not not just more, most not like for that for not much more spiritual, but I am to think that for follow something in that event I am to do for the any for that's why I'm follow that like for the related for for true life for Sri Krishna, and
Hmm.
something for true words that follows, but not is perfectly follows because I am normal person. That's
Hmm. Okay. Otherwise, I think you are doing regular worship in the morning.
Yes, yes, absolutely. I am to regular worship. My God is also doing. This is to Hinduism. Uh, we are to follow for every day. First is the pray for God and early
Yes.
wake up, and this is everything I am to do. But not most like, but some free
Hmm.
time get absolutely I am to do.
Okay. So, shall I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay. My name is Komal Hirani. I'm connecting right now. I belong from Gujarat in Rajkot city, and I have completed Master of Commerce in Accountancy, and I'm housewife, and I have one child. And I like to do like nowadays my hobbies is like I like to connect different peoples and talk them. Yeah, that's all about me. Yeah, and I am running a YouTube channel, and I try to upload those videos on my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's thank you for so much.
Okay,
Yeah.
I have seen for your videos that on YouTube. It's very good, and I think that all the people that motivated for your video that to speaking very much fluently, and so it's also nice. And what happened in so many generations that you made to uploading for this video and to creations for the new about thinking, because so many they are too famous on that YouTube also, because they are very something is the skill or prohibition, and for this technology some people are they are talking for that
Hmm.
means you are not
Hmm.
making such type of this video, and they are to provided for this not to for curiosity of the skill any skill, and they are to like for cooking is also, and other is also hobbies like for they are to very perfections in there, but they
Hmm.
are not uploading because the some family problems is also, and some there
Yes.
to childhood. So, but they are why they are not to see, because our society is that mentality, I think.
Yeah.
And for our generation, this type generation is very fastly, like online is also, and they are talking to very frankly. But you have to see in the history our generation, they are two very ladies, and for that they are not speaking very frankly is also, because some some reasons behind is also they are to
Hmm.
avoid it for.
Yeah. You are
And
totally said right. You said totally right. Nowadays, some housewife, I'm just talking about housewife, okay? Some housewife, same as like me, they have a passion, they want to do something in his life, in her life, but sometimes they are, hesitate. How can I start? What should I start? I know cooking, but it's cooking take a cooking cook is take a time. Okay, I have no camera, I have no like selfie stick and all these things related to doing make a video, but I have also no one gadgets. Okay, I'm just doing all my with my phone, and that's all about me. But we have, come out your comfort zone. I i speak about these like related to housewife so many videos, and I already make one video for related to, come out your comfort zone, accept every challenges in your life whatever you are doing. Okay, and try to explore your skills. I speak so many times these thoughts, but sometimes, I also face this kind of problem. I want to do something, but I don't know what should I do. But this idea is very much, like it was stuck in my mind, and I'm right now I am enjoying this journey. I like this process, what I am doing. And so how can I, you know like how can I make my life, comfortable way there is going is like, comfortable way. So everyone should do this type of activity, whatever they like it, just do it. Just think and write down whatever in their mind. Just do it any cost. Like, yeah, I know we are facing like some problems. It's happened with everyone. you know we can't get easily, we can't achieve easily. It's taking time, and it's for them we are doing hard work. No matter we will success or not. It depends.
yes,
We sometimes
it
luck
depends on
with
this.
us, sometimes they doesn't with us, but we have to put 100% efforts. That's all. Otherwise, like,
Yes, yes.
god with us, we have to do by pure heartly. That's all. Yeah.
Yes, yes, absolutely right for speaking you, because the if you not hardworking persons, they are not any achieve for the success story, because the any success story behind the so many failures, like
Hmm.
100 failures, so many thousands, they are not see, but people only see for that success. And I think this is to behind for, I think about for for our in history so many brilliant talented for ladies also, they are inspired for the other, like for in the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and
Yeah.
Lokmanya Tilak is also, they are very inspirational nationalist hero. But for that Jhansi Ki Rani, and for Kasturba Gandhi is also. There are so many, and in this generation is also so many that ladies to come here and they show that brave person. And this personality in the bold, if you think about the any that positions of the for our that